is about to think about your happiness and the happiness around yourself. Because if you think about the happiness, you see the gap between the society you live in right now and the future you want to live in. And that gap is actually the social change you need to make. I believe the future of social movements should be the choice of the people in daily life. When people think about the social movements, especially in Japanese society, I think people are afraid to take an actions or have some kind of fixed image that the social movement is something which is only for specific people, such as activists. But actually, to think about the social change as a daily decisions that you make in everyday life, social movements should be the natural thing in your daily life. So I hope this will be a choice of the people in daily life. You know where to start when you think about yourself and how you live right now. For example, if you are coming from the single mother family, you naturally understand what kind of difficulties you're facing right now. So that kind of your personal issue is the tips for you to change the society. When you think about it, that's a society you want to see. So I believe you just need to start from yourself, from your situation. So in case you want to make a social change which is not directed to yourself, such as maybe rising of the sea level or solving the poverty issue in African countries, I think you can still make small decisions in your life. For example, if you want to save the planet, stop the sea rising level, you can still take an action such as not to use the plastic bag or to think about dividing the garbage at your home. So I think that kind of small decisions will change the society as a whole. So if you, even if you dream big, you can still take on small actions, and that small actions will lead to the big change. So the challenge is very simple. It's about you. There's only you who limit yourself, so don't limit yourself. You need to have an optimistic mindset that you can do anything by yourself. It doesn't need to be something very big, but you can actually start with something small. But if you don't do anything, it will not change anything, so don't limit yourself.